Hello, today we will solve a question of PDE of GATE 2025, and the question you can see this is a question of second order PDE where we are given one second order PDE equation of two variables and they are given some region where they ask the question is elliptic or hyperbolic. So you know that this is a simple question of classification. Here we are given two region where mod y less equal to 1 and mod y greater than 1. So we have to solve this question. This is a very simple question. Now let's start the solution. So we know that the general equation of second order partial differential equation or PDE in two variables is a uxx plus b uxy plus c uyy plus d ux plus euy plus f u plus g equals to 0, where a, b, c, d, e, f, g, all these are functions of x, y and u. So this is the general equation, and we know for the classification of this type of question we need the b square minus 4ac, and you can see that a equals to 1 plus x square, b equal to 2x 1 minus y square and c equal to 1 minus y square, because we can compare this equation with the given equation. So since we need b square minus 4ac, we have to calculate this. Okay. So generally we know that b square minus 4ac defines the region, that is either the region is elliptic or parabolic or hyperbolic. How? If this is equals to 0 then parabolic, if less than 0 then elliptic, and if greater than 0 then hyperbolic. So now we will solve the b square minus 4ac from the question. B equal to 2x into 1 minus y square and a equal to 1 plus x square and c equal to 1 minus y square. Now if we want to calculate, okay, then this is 4x square into 1 minus y square minus 4 into 1 plus x square into 1 minus y square. So if you take this 4 into 1 minus y square outside, this is common element, then we are left with x square into 1 minus y square minus 1 minus x square. Then 4 into 1 minus y square, and then this is a simple calculation. You all can do this. X square minus x square y square minus 1 minus x square. Then these two x square and minus x square is cancel out, and we are left only with 4 into 1 minus y square and 1 plus x square y square with a minus in the outside. Now if b square minus 4ac we already know is equals to 0, then the region will be parabolic, and if b square minus 4ac less than 0 then the region is elliptic. We already discussed this, and greater than 0 implies the region is hyperbolic. Okay, so we are given with two region in the question. First one is mod y less equals to 1 and second one is mod y greater than 1. We will try to find b square minus 4ac in these two region. So first case is if mod y less equals to 1. Now you can see if in the b square minus 4ac there is one minus outside, okay, and 1 plus x square y square is always positive, and only we are left with 1 minus y square, which will give us the ultimate result. Okay, so when mod y less equals to 1, then y square less equals to 1, and then 1 minus y square is greater equals to 0. So since b square minus 4ac equal to 0 if y square equal to 1, then and less than 0 if y square less than 1. Okay, so when y square equal to 1 then that is 0, and when y square less than 1 then that is less than 0. So parabolic when y square equal to 1 and elliptic when less than 1. And if mod y greater than 1 then y square greater than 1, and then we can find b square minus 4ac is because y square minus 1 y square greater than 1, so 1 minus y square will be in this case less than 0, and then multiplied with that minus outside, we can say b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is positive, and hence hyperbolic in this region mod y less greater than 1. So now we can find the options that which one is correct. So elliptic in the region mod y less equals to 1, no, we can see that either parabolic or elliptic. Okay, so option A is not correct. So this is incorrect because we obtained two cases, either parabolic or elliptic. So option A is not correct. Now we can check the option C. Also option C is not correct because hyperbolic in mod y greater than 1. And with the same reason we can check the option D is incorrect. So option B is correct.